I was extremely impressed by it. It really has helped me.
Yoga. Duncan says it helps everything. Oh, hello. The heat, Henry. The heat.
Yes, it'll be nice and cool inside.
Yes.
There we are. Hello.
Welcome. Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi.
I felt relaxed in an extraordinary way. I don't remember ever having felt quite like that before. And in the end, I
fell asleep.
I fell asleep on my back, something I've never done. I'm going to do that 20 minutes a day.
I think I might do it all the time. Maybe.
That this is an extremely unique work you are doing, sir. And I namaskar you and I applaud you for this. And you are bringing the old sciences and the new sciences together, sir. And it is a path-breaking pioneer endeavor, which, again, perhaps people do not realize.
And I would like to express my admiration for all the work that CITA is doing at SBV. I have not seen anything else like this being done anywhere in the world, and strongly feel that this yoga therapy that is being integrated so professionally and yet sensitively with modern medicine really is a boon to mankind and is paving the way for others. It has been an absolute blessing for me to watch the journey of CITA, and I look forward to its continued success.
To extend a special thank you to the Sri Balaji Vidyapith University for having the foresight and the wisdom to recognize the value of yoga therapy within a healthcare setting, particularly a hospital. And we have had the benefit of coming to visit on 2 occasions. We've taken 2 groups of students, and we all have benefited tremendously in seeing the amazing work that Dr. Ananda Bhavanani, Dr. Meena Ramanathan, and their entire team of CITA are doing at the hospital. And it's inspired us to take that wisdom and that work back here in the United States.
This is a video to celebrate CITA and to celebrate the amazing innovation that all the team members at CITA are making. The integration of yoga therapy, medicine, and ancient wisdom of the Sanatana Dharma and yoga are creating a precedent for the whole world to learn how to bring together ancient teachings that are culturally specific with Western medicine so that many people around the world can benefit from both. I am so proud to have participated in CITA's events, and I feel really proud to share their teachings and findings with other institutions in Italy and around the world. Thank you.
It is an easier, slow and smoother movement than other exercises. So I think this should help us at our age now. I hope so. And being together with everybody and having a teacher, it's very important to have a teacher in front of you. When we have a teacher and she's teaching it and we are following, that is helping us a lot. And we have got a wonderful teacher there, smiling and helpful. I must thank you and her for it.
Nearly 4 years I have taken yoga class with Dr. Sir. So I came here the first day when I spoke with Dr. Sir itself. I got a lot of hope that there might be a lot of changes to the whole family, not just to her, actually to the whole family. So from Kerala, we had to completely shift for real 1 month. We took all the pain just for this 2-week class. But this 2 weeks class, all the pain has vanished away. It has shown so much of difference in my sister. She has got a lot of confidence, a lot of interest towards moving towards her life now. The first thing is, the minute you enter into the department, everybody smile, tell namaste, and it's very lively here. All laugh very loudly, and that is itself a lot of positivity here. That has helped a lot. That has helped her to smile out. That has helped her to laugh loudly. The next thing is counseling sessions with Meena ma'am. It has gave her a lot of tips on how she can tackle her problems, on how she can get more confidence. And then our yoga instructor Charu ma'am, she has been the most energetic person. Such active sessions we have had. I've been taking yoga class along with my sister. I have also decided that I will practice yoga every day, at least for an hour in the morning. So for my sister and for me, it has helped a lot. And might be after 6 months, we'll come back here, and with a more of bright, smiling face, we'll come and meet everybody here. Thank you so much.
And I feel fortunate to have chosen this course offered by CITR, primarily because I got trained from living embodiments of yoga, which to me was the prime differentiator from all similar courses offered by different universities. So apart from having fabulous teachers, a very well-structured course curriculum, practical experience with patients at the hospital, and of course the entire ecosystem there made my stay truly worth it. So I feel that students coming in will benefit not just professionally but also on their personal fronts, because I did too. And thank you for having me there at CITR. I wish the department all the very best.
I am a naturopathy consultant, completed my MPhil in yoga therapy from CITR and currently pursuing my PhD in yoga therapy from CITR. My experience of learning from CITR is that it is an exciting, positive energy place where filled with professors who impart or invest their knowledge in us and seeking that, looking after as a future colleague. Not only this, it's a unique place where you have exposed to different facets and different departments of health, where you can get a hand-on training in yoga therapy, which you won't be receiving from any other place. And more than that, the teachers see us as a human being rather than as a student, because they want us to be the future of yoga therapy. And my journey on knowing the real essence of yoga therapy ends at CITR.